Alright, so moving on to our next subject. For English and math, they're going to work every day. For all the other subjects we're doing, we're actually alternating different subjects on different days. So for science, the plan is to do science work 3 days of the week and pair it with health work the other 2. For science, we are starting with God's design, and we're starting with the heaven and earth, our universe, and then it moves on to our planet Earth, and then it moves into weather and water. So we are going to start with the universe and move down to Earth and then into weather. In the years following, the plan is to move on to plants, animals, and the human body, and then we'll work on either the matter, ecosystems, atoms, or machines, motion, heat, energy, and technology. I haven't decided yet because that's still a couple years away. But for this year, this is the plan. And I've bought quite a few of other books to help us with science, including this, a lot of different materials to just reinforce whatever it is that they're going to be learning. I also have a list of videos and videos on YouTube and movies available on Netflix that pertain to the different subjects. And I plan on using that just because my kids like to do more visual learning, more hands-on learning. So I plan on incorporating different ways of bringing in the information rather than just sitting them down and reading from the textbook. The thing I like about this, again, God's design is biblical based. It's from Answers in Genesis. And it's cross grade. So you can see, looking on this page, it gives you suggestions on teaching for lower levels as well as the upper grades. So I can teach from this single book, teach the same material to the kids, but have them do grade level appropriate worksheets or science projects or reports. And for the littlest one, he'll basically just be learning along with us and doing coloring sheets, participating in the experiments, things like that. That's more on his level, just for fun, until he gets old enough to learn along with us. Their health books, I chose Horizons. Again, it's biblical. And it goes through basic health information, how to take care of their bodies, the senses. I like that it teaches things like manners. And then it goes into first aid and taking care of yourself or someone else when they're sick and things like that. And the information is different per grade level, so I did buy the 3 different grade levels, but as much as possible, the units, the categories are still the same. So again, I'll be teaching the basic information like how to take care of your body. And then for each kid, I'll make sure that they understand the specifics, you know, how a girl would have to brush her hair more than a boy, or, you know, when it comes to things like sexual education or puberty, then I can take each child and address those parts of the curriculum as needed. But for the most part, the basics we'll be covering as a group. And again, instead of doing all 5 days of the week like English and math, we'll be doing the science 3 days a week and filling in the other 2 days with the health.